Upgrade your speaker. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 5.25 inches or 6.5 inches aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 5/16, 135 mm. Not compatible with oversize 6.5 or 6.75 speakers. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. 2005 up Kia Spectra Front Doors. Check fit guide in the images for full vehicle applications. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision designed for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SAKA656 speaker adapters are the perfect solution for upgrading the factory front door 5.25 speakers to most 5.25 inches or 6.5 inches aftermarket speakers with up to a 5 5/16 top mount diameter into the factory front door speaker locations on a 2005 up Kia Spectra. Made from high-grade ABS materials to ensure durability and longevity, and engineered for a precise fit for your new speaker install. We are so confident in the quality that we back the speaker adapters up with Scosche's lifetime tech support and our limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. 3rd Gen 4Runner custom rear speaker installation. This was a recommendation from Crutchfield for the 3rd Gen 4Runner rear door to house a 6.5 speaker. It makes sense, but you still have to modify just a bit to make it work well. After dynamatting and using a few self-tapping metal screws, it turned out great. No vibration, just a clean sound. Good price on these adapters. Again, just got a mod M a bit.